Hello friends, welcome you all. So in this video we are going to see a L pattern, how to draw a L pattern Python. So let's start with our code. What we will do, we will just first of all print this first column with full asterisk and then last column with full asterisk, and then one by one we will start printing this middle star pattern. This first, okay, this first row and first column, then second row and second column, then third row and third column, then fourth row and fourth column, then fifth row and fifth column. This which, okay. So let's start with our code. First of all, write first loop for row in a range of 7, okay, and then second for row for column in, okay, for column in a range of 7 8, sorry, here we are taking a column till 8. Let's see, for first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, okay, so 7 it is taken, so we have taken 8. Perfect, no doubt. So if our column is 0, then print full index. Column is 0, then print stars, or column equals to 7, then print full stars, okay. Or now starting the condition, printing this star, okay. If row equals to 1 and column equals to 2, oh sorry, 1, then print star. Or row equals to 2 and column equals to 2, then print full star. Or row equals to 3 and column equals to 3, then print star. Or row equals to 4 and column equals to 4, then print star, okay. Once again, or if a row equals to 5 and column equals to 5, then print 1 star again. Or the row equals to 6, okay, just to see, that means see we have the sixth row or not, as we have taken the range of 7, so yeah, we can have a sixth row, but it is not, we don't have 1 to 6th row because this is our 6th row, so it doesn't contain a extra, it will contain a extra star pattern, okay. So we don't want 6th row, till 5 only we have to write, okay. So if this condition is true, then print star and applies at the end. Else, if this condition is false, then print space at the ends. So yeah, just run it. Let's see what we are getting. So yeah, we have getted the N pattern perfectly, you can see on the screen. So hope you have learned how to make a N pattern and you have enjoyed while coding this. So if you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share with your friends.